Hello and welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to show you from A through Z on how to post a WordPress article. So the first step is to do a Google search to find an article in your niche. Once you find the article, you're simply going to copy it into a notepad. Once you have it in a notepad, you're going to want to rewrite this so it's unique to you. We don't want to steal other people's content. We want to make the content unique to us, so we're doing our research. The next step is to post it. So we're going to go to our post and we're going to click Add New Post. Once we're on Add New Post, we're going to want to paste in the content here and add a title. So we make sure when we add the title, we add it to the SEO title also. And then we want to add a description to the SEO, which shows up in the little SEO description field. So we typically either create your own or do the first paragraph. Next, we want to make sure that our headings are with H tags, so H1, H2, H3 tags in order to be standing out. We also want to make sure if we have a list, we create a list box. That way we have bullet points and it's easier to read. The next thing you want to do, you want to add a featured image. Now the featured image will show up on your blog posts. It shows up as a little image so people can see what they're about to, what the content they're about to get. We also want to add keywords and tags. And we simply copy the tags that we have from our previous post and we can add them into the keywords and then we can add them into the tags. This is going to help with the SEO, which is the search engine optimization, so people can find our post. Remember, you can also create new keywords and then you want to add them to a category. So what is this article about? So when people click on your categories, they'll be able to find your article. Once you're done, you click the publish button.